Take her that way.
Yeah, that's the one I brought.
You got her. Say,
Lean forward a little bit.
lean forward.
Point her in the way you want her to go and look at the way you want her to go.
She's actually riding pretty good, actually. Okay, go. Come on, Pistol. That's all right. Good job.
See if you can take her down towards the trucks and bring her back. Straight. There you go.
I'd say she ain't gonna run off on her or anything like that. I think I got my I think I got Scotty's horse actually right there.
All right. You gotta keep her going for a while. Don't keep her in circles.
I know the circles are fun on her though, aren't they?